All right, guys. Hopefully you can hear me. I'm using my Zoom today to talk to you. Hi, guys. Anita here, back again with another video. And today I want to talk about this new thing that I've been doing instead of trading traditional Forex. I've mentioned it before, and today I'm talking about money in minutes. Okay. So maybe you've heard of something called HFX or something called hyperscalping, or some people call it binary options trading. Some people call it nitro forex. That is literally what it is. It's literally forex on steroids. As you know, when you're trading traditional forex, normally you use counting of pips to know how much money you've made. So you're racing against pips, okay? But in nitro forex or HFX or binary options trading, what you're doing is you're leveraging more of time. So you're literally saying in the next 3 minutes, if I can predict accurately, that the market is going to go up or down, then that is exactly how you make money. And that is how you make money in minutes, okay? So the time frames move from big time frames like 4 hours, 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week. They literally scale down into 1 minute, 30 seconds, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. Those are the type of trades we'll be entering into. And I want to share with you exactly what that looks like. It might sound complicated or very fast. It's very fast, yes, but it's not complicated at all. And I want to show you exactly how to do it today. Again, if you have any questions, the same way I keep saying, the only way I know this information, if I did not partner up with the team I am with today, there is no way I would have been literally in this type of trading ever. Because obviously there's very many types of trading in this industry, but because of the team I'm in, I'm able to see the results much faster, much easier, and I'm able to see successful people in this industry. And that is all because I'm in a team. And I always encourage people, join a team. It doesn't matter which one, join a team. This industry can be very lonely, by the way. You're probably the only person who's trading in your estate, in your, in your territory. But once you come online and join very many people in the world who have the same mindset, same thinking as you, it transforms you, it changes you, it takes you to the next level, okay? So with that said, let's go into it. I'll share my screen. And what we're looking at right now is what we call a HFX broker, okay? Pocket Option is one of those brokers that will allow you to trade on a very good demo account. As you can see, I'm on a demo account because I literally started HFX last week, and I was like, I have to tell people about this because I mention it here and there, but normally I'm a very traditional trader, but I completely understand the charm and the craziness and beauty of HFX. Finally, I get it, and I'm so into it. It's become addictive. It's actually what my husband trades, and it's been amazing so far. Believe it or not, this account was at 293 on Thursday. So it's crazy. So I'll just take you through what it looks like, all right? So I will open my trusted trading view over here, and you'll be able to look at a particular um, currency pair. What I'll do is I'll first go to my Pocket Options, which is my broker, and see what they're offering me today, okay? So the market's just opened in Canada. If you're in Canada, you know it opens around 2 p.m. on Sunday. So a lot of the trading that's done over the weekend, if you're trading currencies, is this over-the-counter type of trading. So you'll see OTC. So OTC means over-the-counter, meaning the trades are being held by the brokers themselves, okay? So if you want to be in the live market, then you have to be in these other types of trades here. So now that the market is open, we're in the London session. No, not yet. But now that the trades are opening up, now this is where it's at, all right? So the type of trade you need to be taking is anything above 70%. So that's a rule of thumb we'll be using. Anything above 70% is a good trade to leverage. That means the outcome is actually higher for you to get into. So the outcome is most likely in your favor. And what you do is if you want to see these currencies, you can just put a star on it. I've already put a star on my favorite one. So Euro USD is there. I'll add odd card right now. That's the Australian dollar versus the Canadian dollar. And I'll add the Euro card and the GBP odd. I might just add this one, Canadian Japanese yen, because I was looking at it earlier. All right, guys. So this is pretty much it. So you pick your currency. Right now, we're gonna pick this currency. Let's pick odd card right now. The outcome, or rather the profit probability is 70%. So for example, if I leverage $10 here, then my outcome is gonna give me plus 70%. So I'm gonna risk my $10 or $100, and what I'll win if the trade goes in my way is 70% above my risk. Okay, so this will reach $17 if my trade goes my way. So if you want to call out, if you want to put in a buy or a sell, the sell is usually put in by a call, and then or rather you put the green button, you push the green button if you want to buy, if you put the red button if you want to sell. Okay, so let's look at odd card. All right, so I'll literally come to my MetaTrader and type it in here, and I'll show you exactly what I mean by reducing the time. All right, so normally I'd come here and I'd be trading on the 1 hour to the 30-minute to the 15-minute candles. But now that we're hyper scalping, now that we're doing HFX, literally it's money in minutes. Okay, so I'll come here and put 3 minutes or 1 minute or 2 minutes. All right, so once we picked out our time, the same rules of traditional Forex apply, meaning you have to be able to see your trends. You have to be able to see your ceilings, your supports. You have to be able to see the overall trend. Are we going into a sell? Are we going into a buy? So clearly here it's a buy, as you can see here going up, and clearly here is a sell. So the same rules apply. If you're using a particular confluence tracker, for me, I'm become in love with the stochastic. So that's what I use for normal trading, and it's what I've been using now for HFX. So there are people who have different ways of doing it. So just stick to what you know. Obviously, there are some rules that apply in terms of doing it faster, and you will see exactly how we can make some money in minutes. Okay, so odd card, already I've added the stochastic here. It's easy to use, by the way. You can just come here and pick your candles or chart type. You can literally trade this way using lines. Some people prefer to use it this way, where you can literally see the movement that way. But I prefer to use my Heikin-Ashi candles. They're trusted, and for me, I can literally see the momentum, and then I pick my 1 minute. All right, and I just want to show you how we're going to make this money in 1 minute. All right, so a lot of people either use fixed time or not fixed time. So I prefer fixed time, and I prefer to trade in 1 minute. All right, so the thing is, we're trying to predict where the market is going to go, and I don't have enough time to really check this, but what we're trying to say is, if the money goes in the direction which I'm predicting it will go, depending on my confluences, depending on what I know as support resistance, depending on what I know as the overall trend, then I will make this money, because wherever we enter from, if it goes up or down, then we make money. Okay, so I'm about to make a call right now so that we can know whether it's going up or down. All right, so I'm gonna just predict because of where the stochastic is. I don't like trading when it's in the middle here. I like trading when it's in the high zones. Okay, so I'll just show you what I mean in the high zones. For example, when I see it touch the 80% bar over here, you can see this is at 80 and this is at 20. When it's at 80, then I definitely know that the currency has been overbought. Okay, so it's definitely gonna turn into a sell. So if you can see up here, if I go straight up as we back test, you'll see that immediately it touched the 80, it started going down, and you can see it here with the momentum changing in terms of a sell, and it went down, as you can see, up on the candles versus the stochastic. You can literally see the movement. So obviously you know when to enter, or rather when I enter is when the stochastic is literally just about to hit the 80 or above the 80. Anyway, guys, we're about to enter this trade, and it's at 70%, as you see. So if we leverage $100, oh my gosh, let's leverage $100 that this is gonna go into a buy, and this is about to be overbought, right? So let's just check our candles or confirmations. For me, I'm not gonna really trade, I'll just enter and just see. I've set the time at 1 minute, and I'm gonna show you exactly how we make $170 in 1 minute. Okay, guys? Okay, guys, so we're going to accurately predict where the market is gonna go. Okay, so we're looking at the odd card right now. I'm gonna look at the trading view and see what's happening at the 1 minute candle, and see that it's going into a very overbought zone. So this is a high time to start thinking of selling. Okay, so I'm gonna enter into a sell. All right. Let me show you how you can make money in minutes. All right, people. So we are predicting that the market is gonna go down from where we entered from. In 1 minute. Okay, we're just waiting for the time. And we made it, guys. Just waiting for the time to finish. Yes, guys, we just made we just made $70 on that trade. So you can see there what the amount has gone up to. How exactly I continue to stay profitable for those who are interested. That is exactly how you make money in minutes, all right? So what I'll do is I'll give you a sneak peek into something that us guys in the team use. All you have to do is obviously join the team to have access to this. And this is something we call the secret sauce. I'll just go straight to my strategies. I just have a certain add-on that allows me, whether I'm new or not, whether I know what I'm doing or not, it literally allows me to have access to this market and have some accurate predictions. Okay, guys? So I have something called Cash Trap Hourglass, which is a strategy app, literally is used to give you trade ideas. Okay, so if you have no idea what you're doing from day one, don't worry about it. All you need is this app called Hourglass. It's literally a tool that we use to help us know the entries and exits in the market. It has live, 4 minutes ago, there was a trade idea. So it literally tells you when to enter the market, okay? So this is a tool that we use to know whether to put, which is go into a sell, or call, which is go into a buy. And this tool right here gives you trade ideas all day, okay? All day. So if you wake up at lunchtime, don't worry, there's still trade ideas coming through. If you wake up in the morning very early and you're still learning how to trade, you still don't know what you're doing, this tool right here allows you to make money as you continue to learn how to trade. So that is one of the secrets that we use to stay profitable despite, all right, despite not exactly knowing or not exactly being the best of the best yet, okay? It still continues to learn how you learn how to earn, and continue to learn how to trade within this market, all right? So that is all I wanted to talk about today. I wanted to talk about that new wave, which is HFX, and I wanted to just show you how crazy or how easy it is to make money in this industry with HFX, okay? So to me, it's not something that I'd ever considered doing, but you know what? Why not? Why not earn money in multiple ways in this industry? So not only will I continue to trade traditionally, which is counting pips to make my money, I will definitely be venturing heavily into HFX, all right? So that's all I had today. If you have any questions and if you want to join my team, then definitely hit me up in the comment section. My information is definitely in the description bar. Get back to me and let's win together, okay? There's a saying we always say, I'll see you at the top because the bottom is just way too crowded, okay? Let's make money, guys. Bye.